It's Tiffanys Content, and we are in the beautiful islands with your weather update. Knowing this Tropical Storm Tammy is on her way, we're going to be looking at the wind and the precipitation. Barbados, 80% precip, 17 miles an hour wind, and currently have tropical storm watches out right now. Trinidad and Tobago, 80% precip, 7 miles an hour wind, and they had flooding last night. Grenada with 40% precip and 11 miles an hour wind. And St. Vincent and the Grenadines on Friday is going to have 70% precip and 14 miles an hour wind. And St. Lucia with 70% precip and 13 miles an hour wind. So that wind would definitely be in there, and thunderstorms as well. So make sure you're checking your local listings. St. Martinique with 85% precip and 15 miles an hour wind. Now we really got to watch out for mudslides in Dominica with 80% precip and 15 miles an hour wind. And also Guadeloupe with 80% precip and 14 miles an hour wind. A lot of thunderstorms and tropical storm warnings. Montserrat with 50% precip and 22 miles an hour wind. Even in St. Kitts and Nevis, 19 miles an hour wind and 50% precip. Now let's look at Saturday as Tammy moves up the cone. This will be a rain and wind event. Beautiful pink sand Antigua and Barbuda at 50% precip and 17 miles an hour wind. Tropical storm warnings over there as well, and may even turn into a hurricane as it gets up higher. St. Bart's 50% precip and 20 miles an hour wind over there too. Anguilla with 19 miles an hour wind and 50% precip, may even become a hurricane as it reaches there and starts to curve out. British and Virgin Islands 80% precip, 16 miles an hour wind. U.S. Virgin Islands 70% precip and 17 miles an hour wind. So it's still going to be a strong hurricane up there. We're watching for Puerto Rico, 9 miles an hour wind, 70% precip over there. Dominican Republic 80% precip and 7 miles an hour wind. And we definitely want to keep our eye out on Haiti as well with 70% precip and 8 miles an hour wind. Again, it's all dependent on that curve. So let's even take it down to Jamaica and see there. It's going to be 60% precip and 8 miles an hour wind. And we're also looking out for Cuba just in case with that 0% precip and 11 miles an hour wind. Those gorgeous turquoise waters in Turks and Caicos have a 20% precip and 10 miles an hour wind. Some islands can expect up to 10 inches in rain. So check your local listings. I'm going to show you now. You're going to see that Tammy is definitely closer to the islands, and Barbados is definitely on a tropical watch. You're going to see that she may even turn into a hurricane when she reaches Anguilla and becomes 65 knots as a Hurricane 1, and still waiting on that curve. It's important we share the exact information from the National Hurricane Center. You check your local listings. Now I'm going to show you the timestamps, and you can see that it becomes a hurricane Saturday at 2 p.m. and that is near Anguilla, St. Bart's, Antigua, Barbuda. So make sure that you are checking your local listings. This is the satellite imagery, and you definitely see that Tammy is intensifying and trying to become that Hurricane 1. And I think that may even be the remnants from Sean that's still above the islands. And then switching right over to the gold floater, it's going to show you the imagery is definitely more intense right now. So make sure you're checking your local listings. It's Tiffanys Content. Like, share, subscribe.